guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a quick card share. I want to share a challenge and also some picket fence, Catherine Pooler, and these beautiful sequins from Picket Fence. So if you click on the hashtag Not Too Shabby Digi Challenge, this is a challenge that Carrie Rhodes is hosting, and the challenge is to use 3 digital images and use dry or wet embossing on your card. And the 3 digital images must be from the Not Too Shabby shop. You can make a card or a project, post your creation wherever you like, and tag it with the hashtag. And then you can invite others to play along with us. So it's just for fun. I'm going to take the challenge. I'm going to do that, and I will post it on my Instagram. And I would love for you guys to take that challenge and use that hashtag so we could check out your project. I just created this card, and I am not having good luck with these slider cards. This is my second attempt at a slider, and I failed each time, but at least this one's moving. The first one I couldn't get to move. This one's moving, but I guess because it's such a large image and I put the slider track too low, I guess for the image I should have put it right in the center of the image. Then it would have probably moved straight, or I could have done 2 tracks, one down here and then one up here, and then it would have moved straight across. So for this card, I could just move it like this. I'd use the sentiment, just roll with it, because it's perfect for the slider. And then this fun little road is from MFT, and I do still have a few left in the shop. This is the Open Road die by MFT, and it does come with slider tracks. And that little digital image is the new coffee cart digital image. So I wanted to share the new sequence from Picket Fence. They're just so pretty. I love the container, and the sequence just moves so freely in the container. It's like your own little shaker. And the colors are really, really fun. I'm not sure if they're on the container. Yes, they are. So this one's called Spiked Ocean Water. Really, really pretty. And this one is Irish Coffee. So they all have this mixed drink name. So pretty. And she did put tape around the edges so that the lid doesn't pop open, because I noticed that there is like glitter stuck to the tape and stuff. So hopefully that helps during shipping. There's another piece of tape here that keeps the lid shut. So I will brush off any of this little glitter that's stuck to the tape before I put it in the package. And this one is called Screwdriver. Candy Corn Shot. Gin and Tonic. I think this one's really pretty. It's got like some mirror and some clear and white. And then we've got Metropolis, nice pink and hot pink. Margarita, it's got some greens in it, some yellowish color sequence. And then we've got Purple People Eater, and it's got some lovely shades of purple in there. And this one doesn't have a name on the bottom. I want to say maybe Irish Coffee. And this one is Screwdriver. And the Pink Lady. There might be some more designs. I just grabbed what I could see. So we've got new from Picket Fence, this little background stamp of pumpkins. Jack-o'-lanterns it's called. And then we've got the candy. It's called wrapped candy. I did restock the stamp scrubber. Really great for scrubbing your stamps, especially when you use those inks that stain your stamp. Then we've got inside quotes, Christmas. So lots of neat little quotes here. Warmest wishes this holiday season. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Merry and bright. Good tidings to you and yours. Just to read a few of those. And then we've got this most wonderful time of year. We've got the pine tree in the silhouettes and the one that you can color up. There's a little bird on a branch and the North Star. Believe in the miracles of nature. Dreaming of a white Christmas, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. Then we've got the Santa face. This is called Believe in the Magic. Nice, large, vintage looking Santa. And then you get all these sentiments. Cheers, have a holly jolly Christmas. Kris Kringle, Saint Nick, Santa Claus. Merry wishes, be good for goodness sake. Believe in the magic of Santa Claus. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And then the stencil of trees. And then for Catherine Pooler, I restocked the Midnight and the icing on the cake in the minis. The icing on the cake is great for probably no line coloring. And this is their nice and juicy black that you can use with Copics. There's Charleston Sequence Mix. This is their new color Sequence Mix. And right now the free with 60 is the gems from Honeybee. So I did list the new Honeybee stamp release, so check that out. There's so many amazing products there. Restocked the Parties Collection foundations and the Carnival. The other one was out of stock, and then the brand new one is out of stock as well. So those will be in at a later date. So, and I'll show the Honeybee when the products arrive. They're supposed to arrive today, and I will do a video and get that up for you tomorrow probably. But check out the site because there's limited quantities in case anything that you wanted gets sold out. So shopping early is best. You can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order, and orders over $35 for US orders are free shipping. So take care guys, and thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!